Guys, I'm out here on the streets to ask a burning question. Do women love good men or successful men? Let us find out.
What do women really want? Good guy or rich guy?
Both. Balance is important, Ebeg. Quick one. Good man or successful man? Which do women choose?
Please, success first. Good character comes later.
Final vote. Good man or successful man?
Successful. Good man without money suffers.
Okay, guys, let's ask real questions on the street frame. Just honest answers. Getting a degree or business? Which one pays more?
Business, if you survive it.
What if I told you that you can now create 10 to 20 minutes long, fully engaging videos using Google Veo 3.1 without losing consistency? Today, I am testing this brand new feature and showing you exactly how I used it to create a fun, controversial AI African street interview that actually feels real. Let's dive in. So first things first, you need to develop the idea with ChatGPT. Before you can create any AI video of your choice, the first place or the first thing to do is to head over to ChatGPT to generate your idea. Why? Because a great video starts with a great idea. So this was my first prompt to ChatGPT. I said, I want to create a typical African street interview where the host asks controversial, fun, and interesting questions. List out some of these questions. The goal right here is for me to have a variety of options, hot questions that I can choose from. And ChatGPT delivered. It gave me a full list of questions, fun questions I can choose from. So once I know the type of questions I wanted, the next step was to turn everything into a proper AI street interview script. So I went back to ChatGPT and asked for a full interview script. I included the description of the interviewer. It can be a male or a female. Make sure you choose that or specify that. The outfit, personality and vibe, street setting, scene by scene breakdown, dialogue in each of the scene between the interviewer and the respondent, and most especially, each dialogue should be under 8 seconds. This is because Google Veo 3.1, the max it gives its video is 8 seconds. So you make sure that the text you put in covers within the 8 seconds range. So I hit on send and ChatGPT gave me exactly what I needed. The interviewer's description followed by scene prompts, each with short, realistic conversations. Now that we have our text prompts, it's time for the magic. Open your browser and search for Flow. Once you are on the interface, click on Create with Flow. Sign in using a new email to get 100 free credits. Click on New Project. Now, inside this text box, you need to paste in your scene 1. That is the intro scene. Make sure that the text prompt for the scene you are pasting in, it includes the interviewer's description and also the scene prompt showing the conversation between the interviewer and the respondent. Now choose your setting. Select VEO 3.1 fast because this costs 20 credits. So choose either landscape or portrait. Then paste in your text prompt and click on generate. After a few seconds, you now have your intro for your AI street interview video. This has just been generated. So since you have gotten this intro, this is the intro as you can see. What we need to do next is to extend this particular intro into the other scenes that makes up my AI interview video. So we can extend it by adding multiple scenes to it. Now here's where most people get stuck, but this is the real power move. To extend this video, that is to add more scenes to this already generated intro, you need to click on the video you just generated and click on Add to Scene. You will see it there, the option. Then once you have clicked on Add to Scene, this opens the scene builder. You will see your original clip already placed there. Now, what you have to do is to click on the plus icon right there. You see option that says jump and extend. Do not click on jump. Click on extend. This is important because we want to maintain continuity. Once the extend option is active, paste the scene 2 prompt. That is, go back to ChatGPT again. From what all the scenes it gave to you, the scene 1 is the intro. So for the scene 2, copy it and paste it in that space where the extend option is active. That is the text box where the extend option is active. So once you paste that in, click on send and wait for it to generate. And just like that, your video gets extended seamlessly. As you can see, another scene, which is the scene 2, has been added. And you will notice something, that the scene 1, the physique of the interviewer, is still maintained with the scene 2, even though we didn't add the description of the interviewer in the scene 2. You can see that it's still maintained while your video is being extended. And you will notice now that our video is about 15 seconds long just by extending this. You need to repeat the same process to extend your video more by adding more scenes to it. Repeat the same process, click on the plus icon, click extend. You can adjust the timeline if you need. Paste in your text prompt and click on generate. And just like that, you can see that your AI interviewer stays consistent, same face, same outfit, same vibe. This method locks character consistency, which is the biggest challenge in some AI video generation. Just keep extending the scene by scene until you reach the maximum length of video duration you want. So once all your scenes has been generated in this format, you now have your full long form AI video. From here, click on this very place to export your video. Once you have exported it, make sure you download it. That's how I created a long engaging AI street interview video using Google Veo 3.1 step by step without losing consistency. If this helped you so far, like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.